Hey guys, today we've got something special for you. We have an eye-opening topic that's been on everyone's mind. How high-value men drive women insane. So stay tuned. Have you ever questioned why some men face disrespect from women while others are fervently pursued by those very same women? If you assume it's all about finances or physical appearance, prepare for a revelation. Many attractive men remain dateless, and wealthy individuals can fall prey to women seeking their wealth. Today we're delving into the true secret. The key here is simple, guys. High-value men know how to ignore women, and that drives them insane. Women crave attention, and the moment you stop giving it to them, you immediately stand out from most other men. But here's the catch. There's a psychology behind it. You need to know how to do it correctly. By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly how to apply it yourself as we go over the 8 steps on how high-value men drive women insane. Number 1. Free attention. When a high-value man meets a woman, he introduces himself to create that initial spark. But here's the secret. The free attention stops there. He puts himself on her radar but treats her as if she's nothing special afterward. A high-value man doesn't play games with her. High-value men have goals, ambitions, and a strong sense of self-worth. They prioritize their time and effort on things that truly matter. They don't need to constantly chase or validate a woman because they already have a life full of purpose. When a woman encounters such a man, she starts to see the difference. She realizes that this high-value man is offering something more significant than fleeting attention. He's offering a chance to be part of something meaningful. So guys, it's not about playing games, but about valuing your time, focusing on your goals, and giving her something more substantial than just attention. Number 2. Be busy with your purpose. High-value men have their own big goals, and they are determined to achieve them. When you're so ambitious, you don't have time for meaningless flirting or empty relationships. High-value men devote their energy to creating a life they can be proud of. They don't sit around waiting for luck to meet them. Instead, they make things happen. So don't waste your time chasing her, and chase greatness that attracts the right women into your life. Number 3. Be bold. These high-value men are not afraid to approach a woman when they see one. They know that waiting around and being passive is a surefire way to miss out on amazing opportunities. In fact, being passive is for losers. It just doesn't work. Why? Because it's the path that can lead you to years of constant frustration and struggle in your relationships. Being passive is the way of the woman, not the way of the man. So, what do high-value men do differently? Well, they take what they want out of life. They don't let life just happen to them. They are proactive, assertive, and confident. It's all about embracing your inner boldness and showing that you're unafraid to go after what you desire, especially when it comes to building meaningful connections. So bro, it's time to be bold and take charge of your life, including your interactions with women. Don't be passive, be proactive and confident. That's the key to driving women insane. Number 4 on our list is a game changer. High-value men know how to be alone. High-value men are anything but afraid of being single. They know that they are complete and whole without a woman by their side. This profound sense of self-assuredness is like a magnet for women. Here's the thing. Women can sense this confidence, and it attracts them like nothing else. High-value men exude an aura of self-reliance and independence that's simply irresistible. They don't chase women. Instead, women chase them. It's a complete role reversal. The high-value man isn't eager to jump into any relationship. He's selective, focusing on quality over quantity. High-value men have the unique ability to ignore women's advances and only choose the highest quality women who align with their preferences and values. This is a game-changing approach that sets them apart. It's not about being cold or aloof. It's about understanding your worth and knowing when to make the right choice. Number 5 on our list is ignore her. High-value men don't entertain silly arguments and fights. If you feel like she's constantly finding excuses to pick unreasonable and irrational fights with you, then it's time to change your approach. In these situations, it's often a sign that she doesn't respect or value you. So, it's time for you to take a step back and ignore her behavior. By ignoring her, you send her a powerful message. It's a wake-up call that makes her understand that she can't have random outbursts without consequences. Refrain from showing her your care and attention until she owns up to her mistake. Give her the space to reflect on her actions. Once she's ready to talk, calmly explain your side of things. High-value men believe in open and respectful communication. It's crucial to express your feelings and expectations clearly, making sure she understands that you won't tolerate disrespectful behavior. Number 6. Be direct. Being direct is a superpower in the world of high-value men. It's about setting clear boundaries, knowing your worth, and not wasting time on games. High-value men understand that. For them, it's better to be rejected than to waste time playing games with a woman. When a woman plays games with a high-value man, she simply gets ignored or ghosted. This might sound harsh, but it's a clear signal that she needs to be on her best behavior. Unlike most guys who waste time being vague and act like a friend, high-value men are different. They know what they want, and they won't settle for anything less. You won't catch a high-value man discussing everything under the sun or drowning their texts in emojis. They keep it short and sweet. Number 7. Never cancel your plan for her. How many times have you seen men cancel all their prior commitments just to accommodate meeting an attractive woman? It might seem like the right thing to do, but there's a catch. While it's nice to make time for someone you're interested in, you also need to show her that you're not desperate for her attention. Because when she realizes that your time isn't easily given, she interprets it as a sign that she needs to work harder to gain your attention. High-value men understand that their social life doesn't solely revolve around her. This independence and the ability to maintain your commitments make you more attractive. It communicates that you have a life beyond her and that your attention isn't something easily won. Number 8. Having the right mindset. High-value men understand that they are attractive to women, and they don't see women as superhuman creatures above them. This mindset allows them to be completely relaxed when they're around women. Their nonchalant attitude is extremely attractive to women. Now, contrast that with regular guys who often get nervous around attractive women. This happens because they lack the mindset of a high-value man. As they say, mindset is everything, and it's true. If you genuinely believe that you stand at the top of the dating market food chain, you'll start to carry yourself that way. Remember, confidence and mindset go hand in hand, and it's a powerful combination that sets high-value men apart. A high-value man's mindset is his secret weapon. It allows him to be relaxed, confident, and unimpressed easily, making him extremely attractive to women. Thanks for watching, stay high value, and always strive for greatness.